Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about downloading TeamViewer and how you can do it. First of all, head over to the link that we gave you, scroll down and click to the green Download TeamViewer button. From there, go into your Downloads folder and you should have an icon just like this one. When you've done that, double click it and click Basic Installation and Personal/Non-Commercial Use. After that, click Accept and Finish. Now that is done, you can open up and you should be met with something like this. I have blurred out my password for this, but you'll need to send us your ID and password as soon as possible once you've downloaded this program. Then, on the time you sent to us from the email before, make sure you're online and on this, getting ready for us to connect. When we do connect, you're free to do whatever you like, and we will record our entire session and send it to you afterwards if you're worried that we will tamper with sensitive evidence. Once that is done, you can uninstall the program if you wish or leave it on for future cleaning. I hope to see you guys soon.